All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And the last time we were inside our environment, you saw that we had one row of torch lights lit up along this corridor here. Now, as you can see, we have the other side of the corridor lit up as well. Now, this took a little while to actually get done because I got lost in the maze myself. This is actually a lot bigger than it seems. And then, again, it was hard to maneuver all of the wall sconces to this side and add the flames to them the way you see here. But it is finally done. And we have our first corridor completely done. And this is how it looks from the ground view. If we're walking the maze, this is how it would look. You will see the torches up above as we travel through our maze, making our way through the tunnel. Let me see if I can actually click on it to move it move it through a little bit quicker here. Let me see what it looks like if we walk through it. So this is what it looks like if you're walking through the maze. This is what it would look like here. This is the perspective we would see. And again, it's not too dark right now. I'm just placing the wall sconces in the flames where they need to be before I actually start tinkering and adjusting the brightness of the maze itself. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that this first corridor is completely done, and it only took about a couple of days. So yeah, we still have about, I don't know. I'm not going to try to guess how many corridors we have left because some are short, some are long, and there are multiple corridors left. So we all going to be doing this for a little while here. But yeah, this is what it looks like, or this is what it will look like in game. Let me see if I can get to the end of this corridor here without changing the mouse angle too much. So we'll be walking along here, and you can see this is how we will travel the maze. Those are our torches up above, and that's that. So yeah, like I said, our first corridor is completely done, and we will continue building, and we will continue placing these sconces and torches along the path throughout our entire maze. No telling how long that'll take, but we're all going to keep doing it and moving along. And we probably get back into this again. I'll probably drop another video after I added a few more sconces and torches today. I'm not going to do any learning agents today because we do have some tinkering to do with that. Also, trying to convert that the new learning agent that we created for the game. We want to strip all of that out and try to come up with our own concept and our own game or whatever we want to use that group chat agent for. But again, we'll discuss that when we start working on our learning agents. Right now, we're focusing on our environment, and this is what we have so far. Like I said, I'm going to take the day to do a lot of building because I didn't really want to build yesterday because it was taking kind of long and just thinking about it kind of discouraged me a little bit how much we have to do. But this is what we do, so this is what we do. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. Now, for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.